Dear students, happy morning to all. From last 2 weeks, you all are learning in online classes. I hope that you all have made your assignments in the notebook and kept ready. Already we have finished one prose and poetry. In prose, the sea turtle, and poem, the crocodile. Today in supplementary, we will learn a very fascinating story about an owlie. Let's follow the students.
Dear children, today we are going to learn the lesson Ollie. In this lesson we have two main characters, Payal and Payal's mother.
What was an owl doing in an house? You'll ask. Well, Payal's house was a home to all kinds of creatures, mainly abandoned animals. People brought lost dogs, injured cats, and baby birds that had fallen out of their cages to Payal's mother. It wasn't that they had a large farm or even a large house. It is just that everyone knew that Payal's mom had a big heart. But even in a household used to such unexpected visitors, Owlie's advent had been memorable. See, one day, Shifali Didi had just turned up one and carrying a carton. Shifali Didi means Shifali sister. She brought a carton. What was in the carton? Cute Owlie. She was just sitting in a corner. A small ball of brown and grey. Payal's mother picked her up gently and placed her in her lap, talking to her just as she would do to the dogs. She had never handled owls before, so she was very careful not to get pecked. When the owl got used to her, she seemed relaxed enough. Payal's mother placed her inside a cage. There was always empty cages in Payal's house. Just in case a bird dropped in, the baby owl climbed on the rod and settled herself comfortably.
Mom, owl is gone.
Where would she have gone, Payal? She was right there, sleeping in her cage a little while ago.
But she is not there now. And Mom, the door to the garden is open.
Yes, Owlie is missing. There is no sign of Owlie. Hey, see here! She's sitting here!
Mother and Payal decided to name the owl.
Mom, what shall we call her?
Payal, better you choose a name.
How about Owlie?
That's a nice name, Owlie. Very good. Now, what does one feed an owl?
Owls are hunters. They eat rats and snakes and frogs. We are all vegetarian, even the dogs. At least for Owlie, let us buy meat.
What you do, my dear? Go buy half a kilogram of minced meat to the house. Put the meat before Owlie. Let us see, okay? Oh, Owlie is biting me. See, whenever I'm feeding, she's biting me.
Mom, you have killed Owlie. Mom, you have killed her.
No, I didn't kill. Oh, what have I done to the poor little bird Owlie?
I think the owl died. Now what should we do, Mom?
Now we have to bury poor Owlie.
Believing that owl died, They decided to bury Owl.
Mom, see? Owlie has opened one eye and then the other. She got onto her feet and quietly climbed the perch. This is Owlie's way of defending herself against danger.
Oh, Owlie's biting me. See, whenever I'm feeding, she's biting me.
This means lots of bitten fingers for you, Mom. Owlie is a spotted owlet. She had the typical grey-brown coat, heavily spotted with white, the pale face, yellow eyes, and the white neckband, which looks like a ribbon.
Good. That it is your duty to clean the cage every day, fill the water bowl, feed the owl, and take care. Okay?
Mom, I will look after Owlie. I will clean the cage every day. I'll fill the water bowl. Once Owlie began to eat by herself, I will feed her. I will cover the cage during days. Owls are night birds, so they sleep during the day. At night they were active.
They decided to shift Owl to the library.
This is not the right place for owls. So what we'll do, let us shift Owl's cage to the library. It's a lovely room with 2 doors, one which leads to the rest of the house and the other that opened into the garden. Is that clear, Payal?
The bookshelves also had lots of little knickknacks. Pretty things were displayed here along with the books. So there were beautiful pieces of pottery, dolls from wherever we had traveled, wooden and clay animals, and birds from all around the world.
That's good. But when we move Owl to the library, strict rules should be followed for everyone in the house. First of all, the 2 doors were never to be left open. Not at night. Not in the day. Okay?
Every night, I leave the cage door open and put a plate of minced meat on top of the cage so that when Owlie flew out of her cage, she could also learn to find her food.
Payal, please shut the cage door every morning. Otherwise, she'll fly away. Be careful.
Mom, hardly anyone goes to that room, so I'll not shut the cage door even during the day. Mom, the cage is empty and there was no sign of Owlie. And the door to the garden is open. Every day I see Owlie fast asleep on her perch. Who left the garden door open? How will we find Owlie now?
Don't panic, my dear Payal. She must be somewhere around. Come on, shut the garden door and look in every corner of the room, behind the doors, on top of the tall bookshelves, in every nook and cranny. Don't be worried.
Nowhere Owlie is there. I wanted Owlie to fly away, but not so soon. She was still so small. How would she hunt for her food? What if a kite or eagle swooped down on her? Well, now Owlie has gone. We may as well leave the doors open and air the room. Wipe your tears. I sincerely believe that my Owlie will come back if we open the doors to the room.
Why don't you find yourself a good book to read? Reading a book is the only way you will cheer up. I know about you very well. From your young age, you used to read a book, isn't it?
Okay, Mom.
I remember you always read books whenever you are sad. My dear, you feel sad, I know. Why don't you read a book?
Mom, she's back. She's opening one eye and pretending to be a curio. Yes, Owly is back. Naughty Curio. I'm so happy to see Curio Owly again. So hereafter, Owly, don't go anywhere. Be in the cage itself. That is only safe for you. Then only we can be happy. Dear children, I hope all of you understood the lesson very well. I hope you have loved Owly very much. What we learn from this is we have to show love, care and concern to all living beings. That is birds, animals and insects. At any cost, never harm or disturb animals. They are our friends.